Alrighty then, so we are getting ready to go camping. First trip of the season. We got all of our stuff, got new bins, very important. Reorganizing everything, trying to figure out after 3 years, what do we like, what do we don't like. It's all gonna go in here. Cleaned everything out here, made some space. But there's a lot of new things kind of that we got a whole nother set of blocks. I'm always running out, this way I won't. More of these metal hoses. I think these are the best for water and whatever you're using it for. Got a fan for outside. So I got all my electrical, miscellaneous stuff, black tanks, gloves, new rubber gloves that I could just reuse. Always having trouble hooking into the drain, so I got one of these to see if that helps alleviate that. There's just a shoe bin. We're always throwing our shoes everywhere. And then here I got all my chalks, but you know, deciding with these things, where am I going? Oh, there's the old griller. Gotta fit that in. But really deciding what's gonna go in the camper and what we're gonna leave in the truck. I think that's a lot of decisions to be made, because when you park, you need all your tire stuff. I don't feel like getting to the camper to do that. I could just rip it out of the truck, so we'll figure all that out. Let's see what's going on inside.
Mom, is this an inside? Is this like the carpet?
Such a good idea. It was such a good idea. Who do you think is in land with?
What's going on, girls? What are we doing?
Tomorrow we're going camping.
Yeah.
And so we're setting up.
What are you setting up?
Like the camper stuff.
Yeah?
Yeah.
Got some groceries going.
Oh, and I just broke my pencil, but I fixed it.
And here, you know, storage things. How do you put all your food in? You know, my wife takes care of all that. It's the day before, so just plugged in. Got to make sure we're all turned on here. Oh, I got to plug in.
Dad?
Dang, you always forget. Yes.
Oh, and here's a blanket bag that my ladder's not up.
Yeah.
Ladder's not up. There's blankets.
We'll take care of it, Gaga. So, a lot of organization to do here day before we leave. But we got all of our food, all of our drinks, everything we want to bring with us. We definitely have.
And
ready
we have to put up this TV.
Wife's on the phone. She'll be on the phone for the next 4 hours. Now outside, I was putting the slide in. It's gonna be a little difficult to show, but well, it's not. Right here, you got this rubber lining that goes all the way around, all the way on top, and on top, so that a little corner there, piece got stuck to this edge. So when it ripped, it pulled this whole thing out on top. And then when I was pulling it in, it rolled it underneath. So use a screwdriver to put this all back in. Just push that in, that rubber, whatever you want to call that. And then I just WD-40'd all the way around, all sides of both slide outs. Just little things like that, you know, that 3 years in, you don't know. So you got little areas here, this is coming off, but this is plastic and it's really for nothing. But this screw, it's stripped. So glue, who the heck knows? Little things like that you're taking care of. Now, this is the 32 BHDS. We did have a recall on our regulator, interestingly enough. So I just got a new regulator put in, part of the warranty. But they told me when we got there, they were doing a test and they said, you have a leak somewhere. So we went underneath and he sprayed every single rubber hose going out, every valve for the gas, and nothing was bubbling. The old water and soap trick. And so he told me he's done about 50 of these regulators already on these recalls. He goes, I don't know why they're doing it. I haven't found a bad one yet. Guess who had the bad one? We did. So got a new regulator, nothing to worry about. And actually a telltale sign was every time I turn my tanks on, I could smell propane. But if you've dealt with propane, you know that. It's just, you have that little scent that comes out. But I would walk up here sometimes and I'd smell it and I'd be like, what the heck? So check your regulators, you never know. Now let's go in, get an update from Steph. What do we got going on in here?
Okay, or stuff. My pen is. Oh.
We know the
Your
pen's
pen
broken.
doesn't work because it was upside down, silly.
What are we doing in there?
I'm just trying to organize because last year we had one bin for everything, so I'm just trying to get like an indoor toy bin for Junior, an outdoor toy bin for Junior.
Is that your toy bin there? That's all the toys you
Well,
bring
no,
up for your
the
kid?
girl's job is to go in and fill it.
I'm gonna go do that now. That actually sounds really fun.
Oh, look, I got your pen to work.
Oh, and guess what? Mom, we have this movie.
Huh?
We have this movie and this movie. This one's for me and Ava, and this is for Lottie.
Hold on.
Okay, nice.
Fine, you know
What are these bins for?
So I'm trying to figure it out because so these two big ones, wait, I guess I have.
Where's my pen?
These two big ones are for the kids' clothes.
Hey, shh, be quiet. I'm trying to cook. Mom,
These, I guess I have 3 of these. I'm trying to figure out. Actually, I think one of these is going to be for the indoor toys.
Hey,
I don't
you know how
know.
last
Still
year...
trying to organize.
Mommy, you know
How many years have you been doing
Where's
this?
the notebook?
This is 3.
3.
Mommy, you know
What?
how...
Here's the garbage. Hold on.
Mommy, you know how last year I couldn't reach...
Get all these groceries put away.
Dad...
Oh yeah, we were gonna go fishing, and then it was morning time.
Oh wait. We're gonna go swimming today and go back to like the store that we went to yesterday.
Good.
How'd you sleep, little buddy?
Good.
Good. What are you eating?
Cereal.
I'm about to build this amazing breakfast, and you're eating cereal and milk.
I'm hungry. I'll eat your pancakes though.
Oh, okay.
Dad, can you put this watch on?
Yes.
Mommy, I got this.
Catch anything?
No, I thought that was a fish.
Rossi, did you catch anything?
No.
No. Grace, what's going on here?
I got this.
My dad caught a tree.
You can't move that quick. You gotta be more patient.
There's just fish swimming everywhere in this water.
I think they might have stripped us. Here,
But
let's see.
they
Yep.
don't even take the
They
bait.
took it. Well,
They took the fish. I had one and then
Alright,
they
here,
rolled
let's
it
try
and
it
then
again.
they just took that one.
We'll try it again.
try it again.
Okay, let's see. Rossi, what'd you catch, buddy? You caught a blue fish?
Yeah, the orange fish.
No
Yellow
way.
fish.
Really? No way. No way, buddy. Dad, did your worm get taken? Yeah? Okay.
Rough day of fishing, Ava. It's been a rough day.
Tell me about it.
I can do it, Dad.
What do you think, dude?
Hey, watch me. Can I play checkers?
Yeah?
I'm white, you're black.
Okay.
And that's what, I mean, I had, and I wish I had to stick with me, because I haven't.
Is that heavy? Mush. Give me your review of the pool.
I think it's a really nice pool, I think. So you have a shallow end and a deep end. It's very clean. It's very, very kid friendly. It's fenced in. I think I really liked it. The only thing is they said you couldn't jump in.
And Ava made some new friends.
Ava made new friends.
Okay.
We're done with it. Gracie, please go throw this away.
Now back to you.
What does that mean?
Have you seen where Boo Boo Bear is?
No, let's see if we can find it. I found them.
I put it right there.
Yeah, I figured.
What are you making?
Hobo pie?
We're just at a campsite.
What are you doing?
What'd you put in them?
Pepperoni cheese, pepperoni cheese.
This is a campsite.
Turkey cheese,
Let me show you
cheese.
this.
Pepperoni and turkey.
Why are you camping? What happened?
Just gotta know what's going on, Steph.
Who's gonna talk?
Welcome to Jurassic
Who's
Park.
gonna talk?
Mmm. It's a little dark in color. You might want to take a few minutes off of that.
Okay, I'm good.
You wanna do this stuff?
You're doing a good job.
So, we're playing Marco Polo and it's not going too well. I'm it. Marco! Marco! You're not it! Marco! Marco! I got someone who was like, I got Grace! I got this woman! Marco! Oh! Marco! SpaghettiOs with a chance of rain! Explain! I need help. YouTube. Hi, I'm Elliot, and if you see this, Dad, hi. Can I tell the viewers something? Hi, my name's Cody. I always like and subscribe. I always wanted to be on YouTube. More.
How's it coming?
Ooh, look at the blue flame.
That's what I'm trying to get.
Here, I'll get everything else ready for you.
Oh, I have a huge marshmallow for you.
Playing Mini Uno. And these cards are super small, so my mom's gonna show you. Like, they're way too small. They would be like a 2-year-old size deck. Like, these big. I just can't believe how small these are. Like,
They're tiny. All right, so left of the dealer gets to go first, so that means Ava.
You too. See you, buddy.
A really fun playground, okay?
What was all there at the playground?
monkey bars, you know those little bridge things that you walk over?
Bouncy bridge?
Like, like almost like Walnut Grove, except there's just different things.
Yes.
There's a million slides up there.
Yeah, like there's 200 sides.
What about that jump around thing and the Gaga pit and the
Yeah.
checkers? Talk about all that.
For now, I'm gonna call it
Ooh, and the
Gaga
volleyball
Pit
court.
Pit.
Oh, the volleyball court, yeah.
Ooh, and the
Rossi, do you have a favorite?
Yeah, I have a
Take your binky out. Tell me what your favorite part was.
like jumping.
Yeah, I like jumping on the camper set.
You like jumping on the camper set.
Yeah.
I don't know what that is, but sounds pretty fun.
Oh yeah.
Dad, how
What was your favorite part?
Well, I just, overall it was a nice campground. KOAs always deliver.
Yeah,
Lots to do.
Mommy,
Very clean.
Very clean. The only thing I'll say is it was dusty. There's a lot of
Mommy,
dust because all the roads that cut in between and out of things. There's just a lot of dust in the area.
Oh, and there's also like pool,
The pool is nice.
Big pool right next to the clubhouse.
Fishing area.
Not the greatest fishing.
But
All right.
store.
Should we come back?
Yes, we should. It's another comeback.
Let's try it again. Should we come back?
Yeah.
It's another comeback.